Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. Guys, the secret have been revealed. The correct secret, say something wey dey happen for this life, e get something wey dey cause am, and some people wey no know no go know. You see, when two baba sleep wake up, come yarn wetin e yarn, say e no dey dey with Annie again. There is something that cause it, and let me just say this thing so that people will learn from it. You see, if your husband dey wan marry you, say come carry you go meet the mama, and the mama come put one kind bad mouth, or when come say I no like this girl, abeg no marry this girl. I want to beg you, even if you too much love that girl, try to make her understand that your mother did not love her. The mother might not love her because of situation. It might not love her because of maybe they don get issue for in the past with the family. You know say this time around, if people want to go and marry, they no go ask how the family wey their daughter is being married to dey go. And that is one problem some people get. E no good at all. So say from the very beginning, we heard that Annie was married into the family of Idibia. That mama to baba never liked Annie at all. And I don't know why it's like that, because this same Annie was the one that sacrificed what you can never get. Even if you do magic, you can never fit get am. Your video, abi your music wey you publish that time, the money for the video, wham. Yes now, because Annie went and carried her father's motorcycle, give you for free, you sell am, carry come wax your song. Annie really played a long way, a role. In short, Annie played a role that even some mother may not be able to play. So anyway, what Pero said, Pero don expose these people allegedly. This one alleged because I no dey there. So according to wetin Pero said that Annie should know that mama to baba did not like her, number one. And again, no be only say no like you at all. That the problem continue be say, why to baba ask Annie to leave his house and to divorce Annie is because of Natasha. And no be say only Natasha, na mama Two-Face knows about it. That you see that thing he played the other day, that one na play. That one na play. I mean, the time he went to social media telling people to please speak to Natasha should remove the bead, Natasha should do this, Natasha should do that. And I was like, the woman is playing, na play, na to cover up, according to wetin Pero said. Pero talk say na cover up wey dey do. That if he come open to tell Natasha make him comot, Natasha go misunderstand am. And the son, say all this time wey the son dey act that thing wey dey act, too serious with the mama. Yes, even though they said that there was a time the mother was sick and they needed to go and see the mother, and Natasha insist on going with Two Baba. Two Baba said no. That one, all of the thing wey you dey see them act na correct drama. Okay, can you tell me now that it's only because of say a daughter-in-law you never liked from the very beginning? You say that he's using bead to hold your pikin. He's doing this, he's doing that, and bought the same daughter-in-law went and bought a car for you. You change your mind. What about the bead? You don't change your mind though. You don't allow the girl to come into your marriage. Now you and that particular person, no be say only you and that person, because if Two Baba want to carry wife comot, you go still carry am comot. But hey, my people, e no work at all. So Pero come talk say, allegedly wetin I hear say, na mama Two Baba na him plan that thing with Natasha. Na Natasha wey him like make Two Baba marry. And that is why he send Natasha around. And Natasha started acting the thing when she dey act then. Then again, the baby mamas complain that Two-Face is not sending their is it daughter school fees, while he's sending for Annie children. And Mama Two-Face told Pero that no, don't need to complain about that one. Number one, Two-Face children, they are legal children. You, your own child, I be your own children. I don't know how many you born for am. Na illegal one, because why e be illegal be so? Because Annie, two Baba married Annie officially before giving birth, and you na pregnancy dem get you outside. You come here come dey claim say make dem dey send your school fees. You know say since then that Annie left the house, two Baba no know wetin dey happen for im house again. If these people wey come for holidays now, if they are starving themselves, if they are not eating well, it doesn't concern two Baba. What he cares about is what? Natasha. And that is the dream wife of the mother. Anyway, guys, I don't know how people used to behave. So this Pero don come tell am say, if you no send school fees for my daughter again, I will come to the whole world and explain everything to you, to the world. If you no send school fees, my people, they say the woman said that all the school fees wey Annie children dey pay, na these people dey send. Even Annie children dey outside the country, I don't know how they study o. Na two Baba dey change Nigerian currency to American currency and send am outside for these children. Why e no go send im own? The mama come tell am say, you na illegal wife, this one na legal wife. And you know say two Baba no dey do anything again. So my correct people, according to wetin dey sup, wetin dey happen, na wow. Two Baba Pero come tell two Baba say, abeg make you no even talk that thing again. You don't know say we know that you are the reason why your son tell Annie make she go, she no dey marry again. Na you cause am. They say that two Baba's mother was like, what? You know, my people, I don't know how true this one is, but if this is not true, Mama two Baba go hear am. Although you don't start to hear am, because when you compose a song for your daughter-in-law, wey you never marry, you can't compose another song for you. Come dey tell you say your plan no go work. You still go ahead. Anyway, it's well. So guys, this is the gist. Please don't forget to share this video, okay? Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. And for Pero, her own husband and her, they are getting themselves, they are enjoying themselves in their marriage. I don't know why, I don't just know why. Now wow.